What's up guys? Today we're going to be looking at 4 pods versus 8 pod rock lights from Lasfit. They sent me out an extra 4, so I've already installed them on the truck. I'm going to show you all the mounting locations and show you where I decided to install them. If you're trying to decide between a 4 pod kit and an 8 pod kit, you need to make sure you make that decision before you purchase these. Because unfortunately right now they're not offering a 4-pack add-on to your existing 4-pack. You would have to purchase another 4 pod kit to add to this. Let me go ahead and show you guys the 4 pod rock light kit. If you're just wanting them in the fender well, they're already pretty bright. They look really good. Definitely an upgrade from the Sunpie rock light kit that I had installed first. I do really like the white light, but it's hard to beat that amber color. That amber color looks really good. In case you missed my first video on the 4 pod kit, right here is where I mounted the switch. Let's go ahead and show you the mounting locations for the 4 pods. So there's one right there. On the back fender well, that's where I installed it, right there. Let's go ahead and look at the other extra 4 pod kit and show you where I installed them. So there's one right there, right in the middle of that step. And then there's another one right here in the middle of that step. I was looking under the truck and I couldn't really find a good location. And I happened to see this little track right there. I was able to slide a bolt straight through there, 2 of them, and then I was able to put the bolts through the rock light. So it actually ended up perfect for me. I'm glad I had these steps. And that little track right here actually goes the whole length of the step, so I could actually slide these any way I want to if I want to reposition them. So I ran the wire up this way, and then for the other one I ran the wire right over. And that cross member right there is where I ended up. All right, now that I've showed you all the mounting locations, let's check out the little movie I made for you of the 8 pod Lasfit rock lights. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little show I put on for you, and I hope you're able to decide now between the 4 pod and the 8 pod rock light kit. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.